So, good afternoon, respected all. Welcome you all, faculty members, participants, and our resource person speakers. In the session 2 of day 6 at FDP Innovation in Pharmacy Education and Application of AI Enhancing Teaching Learning Practices in collaboration with Society of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Before moving further, I would like to introduce today's speaker, Dr. S.S. Pancholi, sir. Dr. S.S. Pancholi, sir, is a renowned academician and researcher and administrator in pharmacy domain, having more than 28 years of experience. Sir is currently working as Associate Dean, SPTM, Sirpur campus of SBKMS, NMIMS. Dr. Pancholi served as principal Sri S.K. Patel College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, as well as Executive Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy and Faculty of Science at Ganpat University, Professor at Jain University, Saudi Arabia, Principal at Bavaria Institute of Pharmacy, Professor and Head Department of Pharmaceutics, ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. Dr. Pancholi has worked with Gour Healthcare Limited for 2 years as TQM officer and lead the team for ISO certification. Sir has done his PhD under the supervision of Professor G.P. Agrawal at Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. H.S. Gour University, Sagar. He is also a law graduate from JNV University, Jodhpur. He has guided more than 35 M.Pharm, 10 Pharm D, and 18 PhD students. Currently, 3 PG and 5 PhD scholars are pursuing their research under Sir's supervision. He has 2 Indian patents, number of design patents, and more than 100 international and national publications, 48 presentation in different conferences, and 21 invited lectures to his credit. Sir has been invited in various seminars to chair and evaluate the scientific proceedings and has convened seminars and conferences. He has undertaken several industrial research and consultancy projects, regulatory documentation, delivery system, and analytical problem solving for KSH, Fiber Rich US, Vasa Pharmchem, and other number of reputed pharmaceutical companies. Sir, welcome you at the platform of ISFCP. For this session, we are also having Dr. Mayank Sharma as a speaker. I would like to introduce Dr. Mayank Sharma. Dr. Mayank Sharma is currently working as an assistant professor at SVKM's NMIMS, deemed to be University School of Pharmacy and Technology Management, Sirpur campus. With over 14 years of academic and research experience, he specializes in pharmaceutics with a core focus on novel drug delivery system, including nanomedicine, liposomes, bioavailability enhancement, and RNA targeting therapeutics. Dr. Sharma has more than 60 publications, several national and international patents in his credit. Sir has received the SAP Excellence Award from IIT Bombay for ICT in Education and Teaching Experience Award in 2024 from NMIMS, deemed to be university. He has successfully completed a funded research project on nanotechnology based dosage form development supported by the Madhya Pradesh Council of Science and Technology and Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya Indore. Dr. Sharma is also a professional member of IPA and APTI. Welcome you, sir, at the platform of ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga.
Thank you
Welcome.
so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Kumar, and thanks to the organizing team and the management of ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. Special thanks to Dr. G.D. Gupta, my friend. I would like to congratulate the organizing team for having selected such a vibrant and a necessary theme for faculty development program. We are all in the phase of transition whereby the technology is uh, on a day-to-day basis getting changed, and particularly the artificial intelligence touching all the points in our lives. Academics, the education and research are not aloof. We, the educators, have to see that the transmission of knowledge takes place from the experienced person, from a professor to a learner in a very significant manner. If we see the evolving landscape of pharmacy education, we will find that there is a paradigm shift whereby we have to move as a teacher from traditional knowledge delivery to the advanced technology based knowledge delivery systems. It is a kind of mandate that the digital native learners, because the new generation of learners, they are digital friendly. Nowadays, there are various tools and technologies available to learners, making the information easy to access. Therefore, the role of teacher gets redefined, and it is a kind of requirement that every evolving technology is to be imbibed, and it should be, I would say, uh, linked with our teaching practices. AI, which is a pedagogical innovation, offers a unique opportunity to enhance the learning. That it becomes more engaging, more interesting. At the same time, we can use various tools whereby personalization of instruction can be assured. Thereby, we can see that a teacher can save the time in various kind of repetitive, non kind of intellectual works, and spare the time for more intellectual content creations. Thus, we can see there is a bridge required to be established and crossed, whereby we give an equal importance to traditional teaching methods. Of course, if they are integrated with modern tools, we can expect an enhanced pharmacy education or improved outcomes of education. We move to next slide. Okay. Now, in this new era, we are concerned that AI, which is coming as a big boom, touching all the aspects of our life, it should become a turning point whereby the digital integration helps us in improving the knowledge delivery. However, at the same time, there would be concerns of kind of misuse or abuse of this advanced technology. It is very important how and why it should be taught. We will have to arrive at policy decisions where we promote the use of AI by not only the students and teachers, but in various aspects of our education management systems. Embracing the innovation would become a crucial aspect for preparing future pharmacists. We will find in this presentation that we have used various AI tools even to develop this content, and it is a true representation of how uh, innovative technology can be used to give shape to our own original ideas, to make it more presentable, to make it more easy to understand. So that is how we can say we achieve an adaptive learning which is AI driven and personalized. Next slide. Now, if we want to understand what are various paradigms, key paradigms of artificial intelligence, which involve maybe at the present stage more of generative form of artificial intelligence, but it starts with machine learning, the aspect whereby various learning patterns are made. The machine is made to learn those patterns and make some predictions on that basis. They are not linear mathematical patterns, but using the artificial learning networks, it is possible that we can introduce reasoning algorithms, and there could be certain things which the machine can be predictive, and we can expect certain things which have not been taught, or the model is not learned directly. For this, the natural language processing models are being used. It enables the machine to understand and generate human languages. It is perfect for various kind of summarizing uh, aspects, the complex drug interactions, etc., or creating various dynamic exam questions, lesson plans, quizzes, etc. If we go to the generative aspect of AI, it can be used to create new content from various kind of texts or visuals. It can leverage for generating study notes, flashcards, various SOPs, and sometimes even visual explanations of the concepts made easy for a learner. We may use the computer vision like imaging or image processing techniques for making the machine to learn various aspects in case of diagnostics, in case of learning whether now even the machines can be used to know whether in a class of 40 or 60, how many students are actually attentive. So the various aspects of imaging can be used to understand the behavior of a learner, and it can certainly help if you can use augmented reality and virtual reality uh, kind of training tools in particularly the subjects like anatomy, physiology, pharmacognosy, etc. Coming to the aspect of AI in teaching, there could be a kind of um, a thought of kind of risk. Sometimes teachers may think that AI is providing all kind of information. In recent past, the students and I would say masses have been more keen to ask several type of queries from Google, and they are getting those answers. So Google Guru becomes very popular. But when it comes to systematic teaching, it is the teacher who will define the outline of the course, the methodologies of providing or delivering those contents. Of course, AI can be a support in executing the plans of the creator, the teacher, and making it more easily understandable, more acceptable, and more engaging. Thus, we can consider AI in the evolving pedagogy as a third feature. We know first the students learn from books, they get the foundational knowledge and the historical context of any development. There are always a need of human mentors. They make the information more palatable, easy to understand, and provide the context so that the given information becomes a knowledge and it can be applied to various aspects of real life. Here, the advent of advanced technologies, particularly AI driven, it will make the adaptive and interactive learning more personalized, and this integration will have a synergistic effect. All the three features, the books, the mentors, together with artificial intelligence, can make the learning experience more enjoyable, more dynamic, readjusting to the feedback of the students, and transforming the adaptive learning practices so that it can be retained for a longer period of time by the learner and applied when it is required. I would like at this stage to call upon my co-presenter, Dr. Mayank, to give you a feel of how in this learning process which we are involved today, we can incorporate and integrate AI. Dr. Mayank, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone. This is Dr.
Good
Mayank.
afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. We'll basically like to explore some of the tools along with our presentation. We are integrating some tools. So right now, I have few questions in mind from our fellow faculty members that how we are utilizing. Do we utilize any AI tools for academic purpose? And can we name those tools? So I'll give just a QR code and we'll see a live poll how we are utilizing this, what are the questions we have, like why we are using this AI for academic purpose and all. So just a minute, I'd like to share out one AI based polling system, or it is also present in a form of app or also in the form of website, and many of you might also be using it. We called it as a Mentimeter. So just a minute, I'll just like to share this with you all. Uh, can you see the interface of the website Mentimeter? Just a minute, it will be loading. So this is a mentimeter.com. For this question asking, we will be utilizing this tool. So here, first we need to sign up. It can be easily signed using a Google link, or even the Microsoft, even the Facebook accounts, but it is safer always to go with the Google accounts. So I have already have a sign in. So I'll just go for the login procedure. I'll come inside the window and I'll just show you the first question we were discussing. This is already the questions I have prepared. So is this poll is clearly visible to you all? So
Yes,
first,
sir. Yes, sir.
first, I like this QR code is here. This QR code be scanned from your mobile, even from the Google Lens. So I like to see the poll. Have you ever used any AI tool for the academic purposes? I request all the faculties present here to poll about this.
Sir, we have to poll on using this QR code.
Yes, sir. Just you have to scan this QR code. It will directly take. It will give you a website link that is called as Mentimeter. There only you need to put the answer. No login, no sign up, nothing will be required. You can directly give the answer for that. Whatever the options you have, just give it and click it. Like right now I have given this, yes, I frequently use it. It will directly show me the poll out here. So whoever faculties are present, what they have used, just scan with the QR code with your Google Lens or any of these scanner. It will directly take you to the menti.com. There directly you need to fill the options, fill the answers for that. Nothing, no sign in, no login required for any of the members. This kind of tool we can directly use in our classrooms also, for making students more engaged in the system, because generally, when we are teaching, they are sitting idle, they are continuously wandering here and there. So we can engage them meanwhile with our presentation, asking certain questions. So this will be one of the utilized or very good tool for having polls and purposes. If somebody have like answered it, it will be directly showing. I think no faculty has yet
Sir,
answered any of the questions.
sir, I have put this in the group. Uh,
Yeah,
just please wait.
yeah, yes, no issues, sir, no issues.
We will get introduced to this important tool where we can view the polls even during the class and make it more engaging.
जी सर, जी सर.
How many participants are there?
Sir, actually, we record this lecture and put it on the further YouTube. So there are limited
Okay.
participants are allowed in this session.
No, even if a YouTube attendee scans this code and he would put his answer, it will
Yes, sir.
come to our database.
So like right now we can see one more faculty including me have poll about this. Yes, I frequently use this tool. Even we can see the results. Okay, whoever
Sir,
faculties are seeing, this is the live poll we can see. So
sir, I can see this is very interesting, and within one click we can get the result.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Directly, like whatever we want, now we have certain questions directly on the board. Also, we can see with the students lively what they're doing, so they can even see the poll. Yes, occasionally they're using or something. So, one such kind of thing we have done. Just a minute. So this is what we are doing for this. Like just we need to show them the QR code, and they're able to do that. Okay, this is easily makeable. Then one more question I have, that which AI tools we are using frequently. If we are using, there's one more question we have along with that. That have you ever used it, and which tool you are using? So whatever you are typing, yes, we can mention it. So I'll show you the mention how we can use it. So just we need to scan it with the Google scanner or any of the scanner you have for the QR code. It will directly take to this point, which what tool I am using. I can write gamma, okay. Then I can write the chat GPT, okay. Then after this, so whatever the pool I am writing, this will be showing here.
So
What
here the answers you can see that it would be educative also. You will come to know that on the basis of shared knowledge, if out of a bigger group, few people know about one kind of thing, others know about others. So combined this kind of display shows that overall composition of the learning group.
So what kind of things we are using? Maybe some using Quillbot, maybe some using Grammarly. So that kind of thing we can be can be seen here. Again, I have pulled one more, so that can be seen here. Okay, so whatever, how many, like we have a live poll in the classes. Too many, जितने भी आएंगे यहाँ पे अपने आप they will adjust it, and there will be many of the options available for this. I'll just give a brief demo about it, because whoever faculty have scanned and they have written something, it will be shown directly to here only. Just you need to scan this QR code and write your responses. Even like this, when you go to the results, there it will show you the results actual. How many? Yes, frequently two faculties have been used. Now, what kind of second question we have? Have you ever used academic purpose name? So two people have named that Chat GPT is there. One has named the Gamma is there. It even analyzes the results. And just
Sir,
as
please
simple
please
as
share the window again.
yes.
You slides are unshared. Sir.
Is it visible now, sir?
Not yet.
Not yet, sir. Not yet.
Okay. Just a minute again, I'll go for that.
tab करके आप send करिए.
Yes, sir. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So with this QR code, first we have the seen about this. Then second, like this. Whatever the tools we are using, it can be directly seen here. Which tools we are using. If 10 tools are there, it will auto arrange, and whichever the tools have got more option, it will be the highlighted one. सबसे बड़ा उसी का फिगर दिखने वाला है कि this kind of tools we are using up. Okay, and this tool is one of the very easy tools to use. It is very highly recommended for the purpose of engaging students in the class while we are teaching. Generally they wander, they have the option. This is the dashboard option we have. I think everybody is able to see this. So whenever we go this dashboard option, either we need to make a new mentee. It's called a mentee. So either we can make a quiz or we can make a survey. Like this, we can make a new quiz out of that, and it is an easy interface like of software. Even it gives the templates if you have certain questions about like this team building activity. So it will even take this kind of thing. We will use this template, so it will have many of the questions related to the team building. Every question will be having a QR code, or even one QR code can be able to give all these questions. Along with this, they can answer one by one, and they can reply about it. So such a way we can prepare a live poll or a live demo or live engagement of the students what we have. Even they have good option like start with the AI. So just you need to write here, like there are many options available. You can see on the screen. I'll click into the leadership skill and just submit it. It will definitely without use of anything, it will even prepare the prompt. This is a prompt we have. Even we can write our own prompt. Okay, so it's the prompt engineering we are doing for ChatGPT. So create a leadership skills survey together inside of de facto leadership in the organization, and it has created a detailed prompt. Just we need to submit it, and now we can prepare the survey. We can prepare the different kind of this app. It will give a draft, like we have chosen a theme for that. So first we need to choose a theme. Now it will be generating our draft. So it will generate a very nice template for us, easy to use. We can even modify accordingly. Okay, definitely our inputs will be more important. What kind of inputs we are doing, and here there will be option start editing. If you choose this, it will do this kind of thing. So it has prepared a PPT. I hope everyone can see this. Then what are the objective of this? It will be shown to everyone. That objective of survey is to identify strength in current leadership practices, highlight areas of improvement in leadership, and it will have different polls, different kind of surveys that can be done within the organization. This is just a template I'm showing. We can prepare this for the student. Even we can give a topic like nanomedicine. We can give a topic like nanoparticles used in the cancer therapy. So it will definitely show different type of presentation it will prepare. And right now we get it's free to use to the limited access, and it will prepare like this. See, 10 different slides it has prepared. Okay, with all the things, any additional comments you require, you can write the comments. Okay, it will be the two options are there. If we want these all polls to be anonymous for avoiding any kind of bias, so it can also be done by that, because certainly sometimes our students are scared if we are writing wrong things, kuch galat ho jayega, sir will judge me. So that kind of things, that kind of bias can be removed from this. Okay, so it can even be used for our effective presentation during the our research purposes and all. So such kind of the thing it will do. I hope everyone has got this. I wish to have a hands-on demo from login or what, but right now demonstration I can do. So such kind of things we have. This have a option of quiz and survey preparation. If you want to prepare a new quiz, just click it up. It will give n number of options, n number of different themes, and it will prepare the questions as you want, and our inputs are required. So there are templates. Even we can import the slides, and from that we can generate the questions and surveys. But this is for the paid version only. If we have certain slides that is prepared, like I have prepared a slide for evaluation of tablets, so I'll just upload this, and I'll ask, I'll just give them a prompt to prepare the survey, prepare the different questions from it. It will definitely prepare. Even the PDF can also be uploaded in that. If you have certain notes that have been already with you, and just directly upload the PDF, it will generate the template for the survey, for different questions to be asked, MCQs to be asked. This is one of the very wonderful. Okay, and no require for login for every participant. Only the person who is prepared, that will be required a login, and he can show the purposes. But this will be anonymous also, so all the participants are not required every time to sign up. It will save our time. Just students have to scan the QR code, and they can give answers about it. Okay, so this is one of the wonderful tool. I'll again go back to presentation. Hope this tool is understood to everyone. Okay, if they have certain
Yes,
questions
sir. Yes, sir.
at the end, I'll definitely answer if they have any questions in that. So I'll again come back to our presentation. Just a minute. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so after this question and poll, what we are right into the phase. Why we are saying this is a paradigm phase? Because right now we are into education 5. There was education 1.1 or version 0.1. We used to say it was a traditional model with a structured classroom. Then we have moved to the introduction to the technology in the classroom. हमने OHPs use करे, हमने different techniques use करते थे like that. Then education 3, personalized learning experience, जहाँ पे हम स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक एजुकेशन में मूव हुए. फिर उसके बाद हमारा जो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एआई आया था, दिस वाज इन कोविड एरा. It was in 2020 when online resources were more available, and then we all moved to the integration of AI. Now the education 5 is human centric approach to education with AI. So without AI, the role of teacher is unfulfilled, I can say, because just with a traditional method, the students are very tech friendly. Whatever topic you are teaching, just they need to write the prompt. When you go to class, I'll say that I'll be teaching nanoparticle based drug delivery. So certainly they're not Googling right now. They're just going to chat GPT, or maybe a DeepSeek, or maybe some another perplexity kind of stuff, and they're just typing, give in-depth insight. As a teacher experience 20 years, give an in-depth insight about the nanoparticles in drug delivery or nanoparticles in cancer. They'll have highlighted points. They'll say, sir, हमने ये पढ़ लिया है, आगे आप क्या बता सकते हैं, what you have. So it's time to rethink from chalk to ChatGPT, rethink our pharmacy education, and let's embrace this change. We should not resist it. We should embrace it because this is a necessity evolving our teaching methods. We need to collaborate with AI. AI is our teaching area. It's not a threat at all, but it's a tool to enhance the pedagogical approach. Like अभी हमने जो Mentimeter देखा था, it's a enhancement of pedagogical approach. Like teachers, students are more engaged. You know that they are wandering. Sometimes they are looking into the mobiles in the desk, and it becomes really difficult for teacher to monitor each and every 40 or 50 students in a class. So by this way, we can make their interest continuously more properly. Okay, so innovation and delivery, this is an innovative part, and we are also by the using of ChatGPT or by the using of this AI based technologies, we are also preparing graduates, tech graduates. They are more technology savvy because this is the world of technology. Just a motor vessel kind of stuff is not enough. It is one of the basic thing, but it is not enough. We need to integrate it with the technology. So this is what we are going around these days. So we need to think from chalkboard now to think about the ChatGPT or the AI transformations. Okay, but the slides are visible. I'm easily audible to you all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kindly take it in slide
Yes.
share mode.
Okay.
Actually,
Just a minute, sir. Is it fine, sir?
नहीं सर स्लाइड शेयर नहीं वो फुल स्क्रीन नहीं हुआ है
Oh, sir, I'm trying actually. I'm doing it. Is showing here.
हाँ ये
sir,
it sometimes happens so,
sir,
So
it is also okay. It is quite visible.
okay, sir.
okay
Okay. So, why? What is the rationale behind the shift? Why education or any other field is right now flooded with this AI and AI? Because students are changing. Like we are changing. We are getting tech savvy. Students are changing. This is the era of digital native instant feedback. जो भी है सामने दिख जाता है. Instant gratifications is required. Now chat gpt like chat gpt we have this Coursera kind of stuff, we have nptl, we have Swayam learning platform. They have made this learning more flexible. Students have access to these teaching tools anytime. So why we need to shift? Because demography is changing. What audience we have? Our audience are the students, our loved students. So we need to change for them. We want them to be more engaged. So we need to change. There is one more problem, that is information overload. Right now, like I have said that particle in cancer therapy, if they will go for this search word, there will be, I think, 5,000 or 10,000 PDFs or 10,000 different websites. There will be showing about the nanoparticle use in cancer. But they need to screen, they need to filter, they need to use certain AI tools, they need to use their brains, which information to use, which not to use. Okay, now there is a demand of personalization. Our students want more effective feedback. Sir, मेरा performance कैसे? They don't want कि हमारे group का performance, हमारे club का performance. They want an individual performance. So by adapting these pathways, by giving them instant feedbacks, by making them savvy, we can do that. Now, another thing is the rise of hybrid and remote models. You know, like just I have discussed, we have different online learning platforms, and those platforms are very good. Even we as a teacher are learning so many things in online way, like Coursera courses. We have courses in Swayam, we have courses in NPTL. They are wonderful courses, and they all need AI support. They have virtual labs. Like you might have remembered during the COVID times, when we first got to know about the AI was the Amruta V labs, virtual labs we all are using to teach our students. Okay, AV labs we used to say, and there are too many animated and AI based laboratory simulations were available, and we have shown those students, and we have engaged our students via online mode also that time. So teacher have faced these all difficulties, but we as a teacher have evolved from that. We have integrated the things, we have accepted. So and moreover, the last point we have is AI as a teaching assistant. You know that these days we all teachers are overloaded with so many work, with gathering times of demand. The role of teacher has been changed. We are into the administrative work, we are into the NPA NEC related works, and those are very important tasks to be done from the faculty's point of view. So certainly by adopting AI as a teaching assistant, we can reduce the time, because we are lack of time, we are engaged all time, students are there, we are mentors also to the students. There are certain commitments we need to do with the NBA work, network, PCI work, so those are very important tasks that had to be handled by the intervention of teachers. So a higher order of mentoring research, we require to be a researcher. So AI is a certainly tool, and this will definitely help us. So benefits, we have discussed all the benefits. It will give a personalized learning. It is an enhanced engagement. It will give an improved outcome. It is an efficient feedback system and simulation of learning. Like right now we have is a simulated practicals in pharmacology. We have virtual patients in pharmacology. So live results we can even see with the help of AI. Okay. So now, what are the benefits we have? So these are the benefits. Now, further, I'll ask Pancholi sir to take over with the next very important part of query. What we teachers have in our mind regarding this, that is, will AI replace the teacher? So, sir, please, you can carry on with this.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Mani. Now, having talked in detail about various aspects of AI in teaching, particularly in pharmaceutical field, and we have talked about the benefits, a comparative way of evolution, that there are traditional methods. Traditional methods are not to be skipped. They still remain the foundation. However, they face certain limitations, like when we are teaching in a group of students, there could be little or low level of personalization. There could be various kind of challenges for engaging all. When we moved from this traditional system to automated feedback system, when we talk about AI integration, there could be certain alarms, several feedback surveys, pointers that will make us know about individual students' learning efficiency to modulate our learning teaching pace and making the learning more personalized. So from low engagement to high engagement, we move when we integrate the teaching process with different AI tools, which we have just visualized, like using the Mentimeter. It is more interactive. The student can interact in a personalized manner, and we can use various simulations, etc., to enhance student engagement more effectively. So the integration of AI takes us from low personalization to high personalization. So the two different aspects of teaching learning process, that is engagement and personalization, both are very well addressed by this integration. Next. So it happens and comes to mind of every faculty member that with the advent of these advanced technologies, the easy availability of the information the students wants, whether the learning process would be totally technology dependent, whether a student will need a teacher to make the learning happen, or these AI techniques will
Excuse me, sir.
actually serve as an assisting platform for a
Excuse me,
teacher.
sir. Mayank, sir, please
Yes,
share
I
sir.
would
next
like,
slide.
yeah,
Next slide, sir. Please
Yes, sir.
move to next slide, sir.
we would please, yeah, please move to next slide. So, the answer to this question would be that with this integration of AI, the sir slide is not moving. Fine, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we will move to, yeah, okay. So
This was visible to us first.
yes,
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
am
sir.
here only. So the AI basically can automate various tasks of a teacher. It can serve as an assistant. It cannot replace a human element of empathy, mentorship, critical and ethical guidance, and there are therefore several challenges to use of AI, particularly relating to ethics. Moving to this next slide, where we can differentiate between two different learning environments. One, which is a traditional environment, we find that the students, the learners, are enjoying the learning. If it is totally mechanized, totally technology based, we will see that the learners, they are more, because you see the machines will not modulate their pace. We have to take the feedback from machines and we can modulate. So what happens if a machine is teaching, like if you are seeing a automated presentation where the time span has been set that this particular slide will move to the next without actually seeing whether the presenter or even the audience, they have gone through that particular slide or not. So if it is a self-paced kind of presentation, you will find that in few minutes the audience will get bored. Some of them would be not that fast, some of them would be slow. So we will find that only engaging the students using this technology would have a different kind of situation. The two stories here are represented of two different types of or categories of teachers. One here representing who embraced AI for various kind of evaluation like quiz generation, virtual patient simulation, the performance analysis, and he trained the AI to serve his pedagogy. He will be directing the AI. You see, for use of AI, the prompt engineering becomes an important thing, and the creativity depends upon the prompts. So, if an innovative teacher like Dr. Rao, he uses AI, trains the AI, asks the support, and improves the engaging in personalization. This is one kind of situation. Another situation, if a traditionalist do not rely on these technologies, he would be taking more time. But of course, it will have the he has his own experience. He can modulate the classes. He can explain the students based on their individual expectations. But it will lead to certain challenges like disengagement and stagnation. So the two ends of the pedagogies, one totally AI driven, one totally traditional, cannot be the right path. If we can amalgamate both of them, the advantages can be that the students get the maximum benefit, teacher is not overloaded, he gets some spare time for doing more innovative and creative things, and therefore overall pharmacy education gets benefit. The story of two faculty members here is very much elaborative and makes it very clear that AI is not there to replace the teachers. It has to be used as an ally, which will certainly assist the teacher and make his task easier and more effective. Let us choose to be the designers of tomorrow, proactively integrating AI to enrich pharmacy education. Dear friends, in future it is not that AI will replace the teachers, but of course the AI enabled teachers are going to replace the teachers who do not embrace this technology. Moving to next slide. If we use these AI tools, we can use enrich our content delivery right from, please move to the next slide,
Yes, sir.
from basically developing a course. We can design a curriculum. We may have to give the description of what kind of course we want to deliver. Like if we are providing a course in say regulatory affairs relating to European countries, the certificate course which used to be delivered in say 16 hours or 8 hours. So if we define the boundaries, what we want, this kind of thing can be asked from AI. It can certainly help us build a proper course with proper weightage to each topic. So we use machine learning for it. We use natural language processing models and generative AI and computer vision. Therefore, the integration of artificial intelligence to pharmacy education would not only be theoretical, we will find that many of our exposure to live animals, exposure to live machines is can be substituted for by using simulations, etc., visual imaging from computer vision. We can also make the students understand the various kind of diagnostic tools. Nowadays, the behavioral measurements, etc., on the basis of images is possible. So to make the faculty or staff members' time more efficiently utilized, excuse me, then he has a lot of tools available to him. And as an educator, he can use tools for content creation like ChatGPT, Notion, AI, Brisk. We are going to have a look at Brisk in the next coming few minutes. We can use tools like Quillion's Gradscope for assessment and design, lab simulation tools like Labster, Biodigital Human, etc. can be used for virtual simulation of various kind of parental or pharmacokinetic and other kind of dynamic situations. For case-based learning, we are using ChatGPT, GPT-4 being more effective, and there is a Bing Copilot. I would like to tell you that use of Copilot and other such tools can help us even record our meetings and outcomes and actions which were discussed in a meeting. If, if we can use, you see, if you go for a traditional literature survey on a particular research topic, it may take 3 to 4 months to collect the literature and another 3 to 4 months to review and summarize it. But using AI tools like um, Elicit, Site, and various tools like this GPT-4, they are helping us read several papers which we can feed to it, summarize them, and give the key points. So, dear faculty members, it is not only helping us in creating the contents for teaching, but it can also help us in uh, formulating a research problem, developing the knowledge of current state of art of a particular research topic. It can also help various kind of resolution of frequently asked questions through chatbots, and of course all statistical and kind of analysis, research analysis is possible using the AI tools like Excel AI, Python, AutoML, etc. So to explore one of these tools, which is Brisk, I have mentioned, I will invite Dr. Mayan to talk about it, which helps in not only the content creation by prompt. It can also help us in preparing the presentations through various YouTube videos. It can also help in preparing quizzes and examinations, etc. So I would like to call upon Dr. Mayan to talk upon the important AI tool BRISC.
Okay, so let's start with the Brisk AI. Brisk AI, many of you might be using or might be aware of it. It is one of the very wonderful tool. Right now, most of the features are free for the teachers. So it is an AI powered browser extension. Okay, we just need to install it. I'll just show you hands on. First, I'll give you a brief demo of what it is doing and why we're using. So Brisk integrates seamlessly with the Google Docs, classrooms, Canvas, and even to Schoology, that tools that has been used for even schools. This is used for the assignment creations, for PPT generations, for feedbacks, for gradings, for rubrics, for lesson plans, for quizzes, and for content summaries. Everything can be done for that. Even for the teachers and for the students, we can use it. So, why we say that it's a co-pilot for classroom? It's a AI-powered assistant. It has many features. It is an education centric. It is purely for the teachers and students only. Okay, so it has only application in the teaching pedagogies. It saves time and it gives very engaging content. So I'll just show you for the basic features what it can give you. With that, I'll just go for the hands-on session on that thing. If any of you have the access to your system, just will go for the Brisk AI. I'll be just sharing with you how to use it, how to do the login with that. See, I think it's visible on the screen right now. Brisk, it's loading. Just a minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a brisk teaching tool we called it. This is when we do here, this will show you install today ad free. So it will directly give you a Chrome extension. It will identify which kind of browser you're using. Right now, I'm using Chrome, so it has identified the Chrome extension. This is a AI based assistant for teachers. Such kind of window will be visible to you all. Okay, so just you need to do it. I have already installed it, so it's not showing here. Okay, now what it can do, you can see in my just extensions, it will be visible. Brisk teaching assistant, I think it's visible to you all in the Chrome extension. If you do it, it will be
Yes, sir.
visible. Okay, now I'll just go to the other part of this presentation, and where we'll go to YouTube and we'll try to create the easy presentation by this method. Okay, just a minute, I'll present it. Okay, is YouTube is visible to you all? Okay, so right now, what we'll do, we'll ask some thing like pre-formulation studies in industrial pharmacy we have. Okay, so such kind, any of the content that is available for pre-formulation can be shown out here. Okay, and this we will convert into the PPT. Like I'll choose the first part. This is a pre-formulation one.
TGA, that
Okay, so there is this presentation.
हॅपी बर्थडे.
तुमच्या लक्षात होतं
नको वास येईल.
तुमच्या एका फुलाच्या बदल्यात 1000 फुलांचा सुगंध.
हा तर खूप आधी धुतला होता ना.
नवीन व्हीलची लिंबांची शक्ती मळ काढते आणि यातील हजारो फुलांचा सुगंध देतो दीर्घकाळ फ्रेशनेस. पुढच्या वेळेस बुके हवा.
फीस कैसे कम करें इसके अंदर, फीस कैसे लो करें, क्या तरीका है? तो पहला तरीका ये है कि आप सैट का एग्जाम दो.
Okay, so this is one of the we have taken pre-formulation studies. Here, when you will see, when you install the Brisk, it will show such kind of extension in your YouTube. Can you all see it?
topic pre-formulation. What is pre-formulation? Pre-formulation is a proactive phase that
Okay, is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Dr.
Yes, sir.
Mayank, it is visible.
Okay, now we don't need to read this whole presentation. We don't need to take the screenshots of this presentation. We don't need to do anything. Just open this presentation, and these are the options here. What we want to do here, down below, you can see popular tools are given. So suppose I want to make a PPT presentation out of this. I don't have time right now for presenting students to the class pre-formulation, and this was the video I found very useful. So I'll just click into the presentation mode. Okay, so there will be another window that will be shown. Like what I have to do is I have to prepare a presentation. Okay, why we are presenting, which level we want, it will also ask the level. So for pre-formulation, I want, these are the levels available. Okay, can you able to see the levels I'm showing?
Yes.
Okay, so for the university level I'm choosing, then there is a, even the language option, it asks which kind of English you want, Australian English you want a British English, you want which, so we'll simply choose as a English. Then do we want images? Yes, we want images. So just we have changed the reading level. Now we will move to the, just a minute. So now we will prepare a presentation. So options are for university student we are preparing. Okay, how many slides we want, that will also be shown. So a number of slides it can prepare. Right now I'm choosing 10 slides, or maybe I'll choose 5 slides to be prepared. Okay, with images, without images.
If you are using a free version, it will allow 10 slides at a time.
Okay, yes, sir. So I will choose which kind of things we have. So with images, it will not show because it is a free version. With images we want, then we need to go for the paid version. So right now we have to choose this option as a without images. Just we need to do the next. It will ask the theme, which theme we want. So either we want a chalkboard theme or science theme or certain different theme we want. So suppose we choose as a light theme as an option, and it will show brisket. When we'll do brisket, it will start preparing a presentation of the 10 slides right now. So I'll take you to that window from here, how it is preparing just now. It's getting ready. I think I should share the entire screen. That will be more easier for that. Now you can see it. So such a presentation it will be preparing. Is it visible presentation, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, so it will give us a presentation. Right now I have chosen 5 slides. So main 5 slides it has been done. So what is pre-formulation front, then introduction to pre-formulation, what are the physical properties, what are the chemical properties, what are the biopharmaceutic systems. So main the starting content it has taken. If you choose 10 slides, it will be more elaborative and exhaustive it will choose. Okay, it will even integrate this with the Google slide. Right now we are in Google Docs. It has directly taken us to the Google Docs. So if you are login, it will be going to be new Google Docs. It will be in your cloud version. You can directly go to the class and or wherever you are presenting, and you can present this. Now suppose I want to make a quiz out of that. So even it have an option of preparing the quiz. So I'll just go for the preparing quiz I want. This is the level. So it will show which level I want. English language I'm choosing here. It will generate a prompt, multiple choice I want, short response, long response, whatever I want. So this will integrate even to the Google Forms also. So it will give. I hope you can able to. So if I am choosing the option new doc, it will open a one more Word document, and there it will present. Otherwise, if I show the new form, it will be generating a Google form, and directly you can share the link with the students from here only, and they can opt for the questions and answer. So I'll just show you the Google form integration. You need to just brisk it. So when you're brisking it, it will be opening a new window of the Google form from which you are in login, and it will be creating this. I'll just share that window. Google Slides were visible. Now I'll show you the Google form.
Sir, it is yeah, now it is.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Like this, it will show you the pre-formulation Google form it has prepared. Automatically, this has generated the questions. It has also got the right answers, and it has also created the MCQs. Means what are the right options, what are the wrong options. So 10 questions I have asked, because free version prepared 10 questions, so directly with Google form also. If I have chosen as option of Word, so it will be preparing these all questions in Word also. If I have preparing ask for the option of like add on to the short responses and brisket, so 2 questions it will be preparing in short also. So such kind of presentation we can prepare. Short questions, long questions, it will be going to incorporate, it will be add. Okay. Right now, we are not able to generate any questions from this front, because we will directly even go to our presentation or YouTube, and from there also, without preparing any of this presentation also, we can do this thing. Okay. Directly I'll show you. I'll again move to the this presentation window of YouTube. From there I'll share. Okay. So
Dr. Kumar, what would be the time available for us now?
Sir, you can go ahead for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes. Sir.
10, 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah,
so just this option we'll explore and then we'll finish it. So right now we are in our this Google the presentation or the lecture we want. This has already been prepared by somebody else. We'll just type a brisk and prepare some questions out of that. So just a brisk need to be select. We are going to select the toggle of brisk. It will show brisket here. Now create. So we will be creating a lesson plan. Suppose we need a lesson plan. We will be choosing as a lesson plan as an option. University level, how many hours you want a lesson plan to be prepared. Like your class is for 50 minutes. Suppose we have a class for 1 hour, 60 minutes, and we want a lesson plan of this pre-formulation to be prepared for 50 minutes. 10 minutes will be a question answer session. So just we need to go for it. We will be brisking it. So just as we will brisk, it will even prepare the option of
schedule lesson plan.
Lesson plan in that. So it will be directly going to whichever option you want. Like we want it to be a Google Docs, because generally we are using these kind of applications today. So right now it is preparing the Google Doc form of this. Is this visible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I need to teach in my class in 50 minutes, that also it will be showing me. अगर मुझे उसी 1 घंटे का प्री फॉर्मुलेशन पढ़ाना है, तो उसमें से मुझे क्या क्या चीजें करनी है, क्या क्या accommodations करने हैं, everything it will generate it. Okay, as per the university students we have chosen. So like options you can see here. Lesson plan is for pre-formulation. ऐसे हम हर एक chapter का बना सकते हैं. For tablets, for capsules, what will be the learning objective? This will be the learning objective. Our NEC, NB, our PCI wants a learning objective to be defined before we will start our session. What alignment with the academic standard we have? It's a pharmaceutical science curriculum. क्या क्या चाहिए हमको? What all things we need? And this is the lesson outcome. So introduction 10 minutes I need to take. Then physical properties 15 minutes in brief, because हमने अभी जो ऑप्शन चूज किया था वो बहुत छोटा था. हमने 5 स्लाइड्स का ऑप्शन चूज किया था, कम किया था. 50 मिनट्स ओनली वी वांट. अगर हम 120 मिनट्स चूज करते तो वो 2 घंटे के हिसाब से पूरे लेसन को अकोमोडेट करता कि हमको कितने घंटे. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज कितने 15 मिनट्स हमको पढ़ानी है. then biopharmaceutical classification system 10 minutes हमको पढ़ाना, and finally we need to take assessment में हम कुछ group activity देंगे, हम short quiz पूछेंगे, what homework we need to do, that to give it to students, that also it will show research paper analyzing pre-formulation consideration of any specific drug. So they will be even engaged in these kind of activities also. So such kind of detailed lesson plan that we require nowadays for our documentation purpose, for NBA neck level, neck purposes of each and every chapter. So whatever chapter we are teaching, well, just we can use it, and finally we have 15 chapters or 5 units. So unit wise, it will prepare all the lesson plan, and we will integrate our document. Banake, we can keep it up for our academic purposes. So such kind of assessment we can do. Even with the YouTube video, we can define the rubrics what we want. Okay, I'll just take you to that part. I'll just explore whatever the few options it have. Okay, so just we need to go for the extension brisket. Okay. Now, as the brisk will open, see, so brisk icon is taken. Now, what I want to create, that will be shown. Okay. So right now it has been exhausted because what we have used this for the free purposes. So even the rubric for checking of the questions, even the long questions, even MCQs, everything can be prepared by this brisk option. So I think everyone got to know about the brisk.
I think we will move to the main slide again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. And with the less time left, we will quickly go through our research kind of thing. We can summarize the brisk as the slide shows that the key features of brisk, they include lesson planner, quiz and MCQ generators, feedback generators, summarizer and simplifier, and translation according to the level. And the very important thing is this tool uses various kind of standard formats, the Bloom's taxonomy. There would be, it would be creating the questionnaires, etc., the rubrics also. So it helps the teacher to save the time doing all those kind of activities. Next. We have already talked about various aspects of brisking. So you have to install the bridge, you have to sign up, you have to connect with some elements if it may be an optional, and you can link it as an extension to your normal Google Chrome, etc. Now we will move to, we will not go in detail. Already the brisk has been explained hands-on by Dr. Mayan. So we will skip the slides relating to brisk benefits. We are moving to use of AI in pharmaceutical engineering. Pharmaceutical research and development. So as a teacher, we know that not only the teaching, but research is an integral part for any career advancement of a teacher. And every institute nowadays, which is expecting a rating and ranking, they have to excel in research also. The research traditionally has been taking a lot of time, particularly even for deciding a problem, identifying a problem, doing literature search and all. So from idea generation to different kind of tools which we want to, or techniques which we want to use, there is a long path. We can move, take the assistance of AI for various kind of research development aspects, particularly in pharmaceuticals, the research in drug discovery. You will find that these various kind of new molecules, their docking, etc. And we know that this protein binding and the aspects of stabilized molecules, they take a lot of time even in the system. The AI can help us reducing that time, identifying the lesser number of target protein sites where we can expect better results. So, in drug discovery, AI can be of great help. Also, in drug analysis, in various kind of modeling, and specifically in clinical trials, the AI finds specific use. Uh, for developing an idea, we can use the AI tool like Napkin AI. Napkin AI is a specific tool that has been used by various researchers and users, particularly when the infographics is to be integrated. Uh, the the aspects of research like literature review, you can take the help of tool like Elicit to find various evidence-based papers. You can extract out the methods and technologies used and the findings of those reports so that it becomes easy to arrive at the kind of research methodology which we want to follow for our own problem. We are using various AI tools like Cite AI for smart citations, Quillbot and Trinka for editing the research. Orange data mining is ML-based clustering technique used for data analysis, trend analysis, particularly in case of pharmaceutical formulation and PK data. Image, J, and AI plugins can be used for creating various kind of images or studying the images generated by various analytical tools like analyzing particle size or microscopy, etc., or even with various kind of chromatographic fingerprinting. The Zetero AI plugins can be used for reference management to organize and auto-link the citations. And even when the research is available in different languages, the translator tools like DeepL and translators, etc., can be used to understand the research findings available in different languages. So we have not only uh, possibly have an assistant helping us in various teaching efforts, but also the research is being made easy by use of different AI tools. I would again like to invite Dr. Mayan to discuss about one of the very important AI tools majorly used by the researchers in pharma, particularly to generate infographics and all, that is Napkin AI.
I
So,
can,
Dr.
in brief,
Mayan, please.
I'll discuss the napkin AI in just 5 or 10 minutes. We'll discuss about the what napkin AI do. It is one of the very wonderful tool, and it can be used for the graphical abstract purposes. It can even be used for the presentation purposes, and even the students are utilizing it for the purposes. So, is it visible to you all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the interface we have of this website. Right now, most of the features of this is free right now. So just I'll go through how we need to do. Just we need to log in. I have just means it's with me. I'm using it for a while, so I'll just go for the sign in. Otherwise, we can go for the complete options. This is also available in the app form. Just I'll show you in brief only. We'll discuss because we are lacking time. So it is perfectly a AI based assistant. Uh, It's loading, just a minute. Okay, so such kind of this it can be used. It has this interface. Is it visible? So when we go for this, it will show few options: draft with AI, import from file, or blank napkin. So if this is a blank napkin, if you're using, so just a blank napkin we have used, and we can write certain information from one of my papers. I'll write the abstract from that paper. So such kind, when we paste it, it will analyze and it will show us certain infographics. When we just click on the blazing button, it will show how we can utilize it. So it will show different kind of infographics out of that, like this might be visible. This is for the dendrimers. I have copied from one of my papers abstract for that. So such kind of infographics it will prepare. And if we use one of the tools, like suppose this tool we are using, we'll have different options, which kind of version we want: a lighter version, a without color fill version, or maybe a darker version we want. Such kind of options, if we choose this, on the upper hand it will show change style. Even the colors can be changed. Okay, we can change the color of this, we can change the style again, we can change the aspect ratio, and we can directly download. So we can download in PNG, SVG, PDF, or PPT also. We can even remove the background. We can change the resolution also, and just download it. It will download in this form. We can opt to choose. This can also be used for our research papers also, with giving the due credits to this. Okay, we can use in research and review papers, but we need to give due credits for this. Okay, so such kind, we have this option. Now one more option, we have this draft from AI. This is one of the wonderful features. Like I'll show title of one of my paper, and it will give you maybe a soft gelatin capsule, introduction about soft capsules. Okay, so we just need to continue with this prompt. It will create a whole lesson out of this, more important, and whichever kind of infographics we need to prepare. Suppose I want an infographic from the composition of the soft gelatin capsule. Just this lightning button I have to click, and it will prepare. In our presentation, many of the infographics we have prepared from this only. So this kind of preparation we have given. Okay, we can customize the style also for that. Just a minute. This composition, it has selfly generated the content. We have not given content, we have given just a soft gelatin capsule introduction. So like this it can use. It will show more styles in this. We will choose a different kind of style, we can choose a different kind of color, we can choose a different kind of theme in that. Okay, so like this also it will show. Okay, it will show like this. So there are many options by which we can show it. Okay, suppose I want to prepare an infographic, or suppose I want a graphic to be prepared for advantages of soft gelatin capsules. So just in few just a minute of time, it will prepare an infographic, or it will prepare a visual representation of the pros and cons of capsules.
Yeah, this would also be important if we provide our results of research or mechanisms, etc., which we have described, to be presented in infographic form.
So like this, it will be have. It has three options: either a plain napkin, you can wear a copy your content, what you have written in your research and review paper, or you can also give the command in the AI method, and it will prepare it. I hope this is visible and this has been learned to like known to everyone now.
Kumar sir.
So again, finishing this napkin AI, we'll move to our conclusion part. If you have any queries, you can connect us separately also. So I'll ask Pancholi sir to please carry over the last conclusion and challenges associated with the AI.
Well, we know that technologies, they come with advantages, but at the same time there are certain threats, challenges, and limitations, and AI is not an exception. It has got potential of immense potential for implementation, where we make our presentations more interactive, more useful, make it more engaging and all. But at the same time, the ethical issues, particularly, we are supposed not to use the data, that there would be a situation of plagiarism. We know that all these AI generated contents, etc., they are basically based on certain training which have been given to the machine learning model. So it is important that we do not rely entirely on the data or the content that has been generated by AI. Nowadays, when you are going to publish your publications, research outcomes, any research journal not only will check your contribution from point of view of plagiarism, but also AI generated content. Specifically, generation of data would not be acceptable. Yeah, there should be 0% in generation in any paper. So AI will rely on if what kind of data you submit to it. Based on that data, it will provide you the results. The inaccuracies could or biases in the data that can lead to erroneous results, and we should be very cautious when AI suggests certain conclusions, whether it has used the data, broad data, whether the data that has been used is a valid data or not. There are regulatory frameworks. Particularly, there will be policies of individual institutions or organizations relating to creating uh, uncertainties in, and there could be certain data privacy and ethical issues related to AI. As I already talked, there could be bias and relating to the, if we are talking of simple specific data of a particular strain or a particular species, and we have avoided certain data, then the outcome or the conclusion could be biased. Of course, uh, it is a big challenge for pharma educators that they should get themselves updated with various AI tools, because as it was said in the beginning, if we are, there is no threat that AI will replace a teacher, but there is certainly no choice. But if you are not updating yourself and getting enabled with AI tools, that those professors, those faculty members will replace who have these skills already with them. Next slide. So, if you talk of future, this in AI, in our education, it is must that we should integrate the AI. There is no scope, there cannot be any kind of, you cannot miss it. It is it is, we will say, present everywhere. So, as you cannot replace breathing. You cannot replace or you cannot avoid AI. So it becomes imperative that integration of AI and all other emerging technologies to augment your teaching experience and learning experience has to be taken care. Mayank sir, this slide has not moved.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Of course, when we talk of presenting, I was on future direction specifically. When it comes to practicing pharmacy, the pharmacy practitioners, our students, they should be prepared, made comfortable with using these AI tools, specifically like when we are talking of personalized student experience in the same way in the clinical field. The personalized patient experience is important, and as a pharmacy professional, our students who pass out, graduate, they should be enabled and make adaptive to personalizing the experience of the patients. Of course, this will lead to the precise medication. There would be certain different kind of wrongs that can be avoided, that right dose at right time and right dosage form, etc., would be assured. In pharmaceutical research, collaborations and use of these AI tools shall enhance the research capabilities as well as reduce the time taken for particular research outcome. So, use of AI and use of multidisciplinary expertise should enhance the discovery process and accelerate it. In conclusion, I would like to say that we as a teachers have to embrace to this new technology. There is no side way. We can actually unlock many unprecedented opportunities to elevate learning outcomes. We can foster groundbreaking research and cultivate the new generation of highly competent, adaptable pharmacy professionals. So let us not resist the wave. Let us ride it with vision, ethics, and innovation. Finally, I would like to say we should integrate AI in pharmacy education. It should be a transformative moment for all of us. As an educator, it will redefine uh, as our mentoring capabilities. It will be a facilitator, an assistant, and it will lead to personalization of education, more enhanced engagement, and also our students, the next generation of healthcare providers, should be more effective in providing the healthcare. They will be very happy to learn the things and remember them lifelong. Let us lead this change with a vision and responsibility. At the end, I would like to thank the organizing uh, team, ISF College of Pharmacy Moga. I would like to thank my institute, SVKMs and MIMS School of Pharmacy and Technology Management, my team, especially my collaborator, Dr. Main, and the authorities of our institute. Thank you very much. Yeah, we would welcome if there are some queries we can resolve.
Okay, thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
As director sir is joined already, we would like to take comment from director sir.
Please,
Sir,
most
please.
welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dr. Sant Kumar Verma ji. So, first of all, I welcome Dr. S.S. Pancholi ji, Dr. Mayank Sharma ji, and the next speakers of today's Dr. C.S. Mujbuddin ji. So, first of all, I talk about this lecture. Obviously, Dr. Pancholi ji and Dr. Mayank Sharma ji both are the very, very dedicated, punctual, and very learned personality in the field of the pharmaceutical sciences, and you have given lot of information scientifically as the technically related to the artificial intelligence application in the pharmaceutical sciences. And the purpose behind of this talk or the selection of the topic, as we know that NEP 2020 as well as the Pharmacy Council of India highly focused on the artificial intelligence and their application in the profession. So this is the aware about of the application, and I hope that youngsters are the quite capable to enhance the application of the AI in the pharmaceutical education, because I know that this types of the thing is the required of the one of the computer as well as the lot of knowledge related to the, you can say, electronic, electrical as well as the machine learning of like this thing. So I hope that this lecture will be the useful to each and everyone of the pharmacy profession. So again, I am thankful to the both of the speaker, Dr. S.S. Pancholi and Dr. Meng Sarmaji, for you have given this opportunity to this institute and for the audience and accept the invitation. And I also request you, after the CS Mujbiddin lecture, we are moving toward of the valedictory function. So you are also cordially invited as a guest of honor. I have already invited as a chief guest of today valedictory function Dr. Mohammad Ishaq Gair. So I hope that if you have time, you can also join in the continuously or after the 1 hours. You're welcome, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Dr. Gupta. Thanks.
सर आई वुड लाइक कमेंट इन द लास्ट, जैसे आपने कहा भी लेक्चर में कि वन टीचर शुड नॉट बी totally dependent on AI. It should be integrated with AI. So this lecture was like that. This was the classical as well as the integration of some modern things. So this was interesting. I think our
Kumarji, the message is if you do not embrace it, if I cannot collaborate and integrate the things with so that is why Dr. Men Sharma was with me, and we have to collaborate and use the things in the proper manner.
डेफिनेटली सर, तभी तो हम इंजॉय कर रहे थे। जैसे आपने कहा बच्चे टीचर्स तभी इंजॉय करेंगे जब टीचर इंटीग्रेटेड होगा, ना कि फुल्ली एआई होगी वहां। तो दिस वाज द सिमिलर, दैट वाज द सिमिलर। सर थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद अस ऑन ISFCP platform. We will be grateful to you. Thank you, sir. In our
Thank you, sir.
future
Thank you
also.
so much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Dr. Mayank, you can stop sharing.
Yes.